Hello, friends. This is your 5-minute English speaking practice session. Even if you're busy, yes, even if you're walking, cooking, traveling, or just lying in bed, you can do this right now. No excuses. You've got 5 minutes, right? That's all you need. And remember, this is not just listening, this is speaking practice. So come on, speak with me. You're not just repeating words, you're picking up pronunciation, rhythm, speed, tone, pauses, and natural flow. Don't pause the video, don't skip. Just speak with me. Go with the flow. Let's begin. I didn't realize that before. Repeat. I didn't realize that before. It took me some time to understand. Again. It took me some time to understand. I'm trying to improve every day. I'm trying to improve every day. Things are getting better slowly. Things are getting better slowly. I'm still learning how to do it properly. I am still learning how to do it properly. Sometimes we overthink simple things. Sometimes we overthink simple things. Confidence comes with regular practice. Confidence comes with regular practice. You don't have to sound perfect. You don't have to sound perfect. Small improvements make a big difference. Small improvements make a big difference. Speaking naturally takes consistent effort. Speaking naturally takes consistent effort. I usually start my day early in the morning. I usually start my day early in the morning. I like to plan my work before the day gets busy. I like to plan my work before the day gets busy. It helps me stay calm and focused throughout the day. It helps me stay calm and focused throughout the day. Many people understand English very well. Many people understand English very well. But they hesitate while speaking. But they hesitate while speaking. The more you practice speaking regularly, the more confident you become. The more you practice speaking regularly, the more confident you become. I recently started trying a few new habits. I recently started trying a few new habits. At first, it felt difficult to stay consistent. At first, it felt difficult to stay consistent. But slowly, I started enjoying the process. But slowly, I started enjoying the process. Very good, my friend. You just practiced fluent English speaking in just 5 minutes. That's amazing progress. The more you speak in English, the more natural and confident you will sound. Thank you for practicing with me today. If this practice helped you, come back tomorrow and practice again with me. I'm Deepa, and this is Speak English on the Go. Until next time, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep improving. Bye for now.